Hello guys! So in this video we're going to talk about hashtags, how to use them, what's the right mix, and I'm also going to show you how to research your hashtags if you don't know where to start from. There are three main questions people always ask me about hashtags. The first one is, why are hashtags important? The second one is, how many should you use? And where should you put them? In the caption or in the comment? So let's answer your questions right now. Hashtags are super important on Instagram because they act like searchable keywords. Same like you would use keywords in your blog post or on your website, you need to use keywords on Instagram. So hashtags, they are searchable and they help users on Instagram to discover new content that is relevant to them. Instagram allows any user to use up to 30 hashtags in a feed post and 10 hashtags in a story. That sounds like a lot. So how many should you use them? Should you use all 30? Well, if you know how to come up with 30 relevant hashtags that are descriptive of your image, go for it. But research has found that 15 to 20 hashtags are the sweet spot where you can expand your post reach without being too spammy. To create the perfect hashtag strategy, you should combine a variety of different hashtag sizes. So for example, you should use 1 to 2 branded hashtags. These are hashtags that describe your brand and find your content searchable for people searching for your brand name. After that, you should use 5 niche hashtags. These are hashtags that are lower than 50,000 images. And this is important because, especially if you are a new account, it's going to be easier for your content to be discovered in your niche hashtags. You should also use 5 popular hashtags in the 50,000 to 100,000 images, as well as 5 hyper popular, between 100,000 and 500,000 images. I would hardly discourage anyone to use 1 million hashtags with 1 million images and above, because your post will only live for not even 1 second before it gets drowned in the amount of content that is being published. For example, one hashtag that you should never use is hashtag love or hashtag beauty or hashtag travel. So use smaller hashtags that make your content easily discoverable. So now that you're using Instagram hashtags, how do you know they're working? Go back to your Instagram post and swipe up to see the insights. So under each post, you're going to scroll down and look at impressions from hashtags. If you want to use hashtags for growth, then your impressions from hashtags should be 50% or more than your impressions from your regular viewers. To check whether each individual hashtag is working, you should tap on the hashtag and check whether you are anywhere in the top 9 or top 20 under that hashtag on the Explore page. Now, to answer your last question, where should you put your hashtags? In the caption or in the comment? Where there's really no difference on the hashtags performance. Wherever you put them, it's your preference. But I'm just going to give you one benefit for each option. So if you put your hashtags in the caption, this is good for tracking your analytics, because third-party softwares will be able to tell you which hashtags perform better and which hashtags are not. So use them in your caption if you want to track your analytics. Otherwise, if you want to keep your caption looking clean, neat, tidy, and free of spam, then you can put them in a comment below your post. So whichever way you choose, it's just a matter of preference.